The main point of this study is that official estimates by agencies such as the Environmental Protection Agency of methane leakage from natural gas systems are likely underestimating the amount of methane leakage. So natural gas is a mixture of hydrocarbons that are produced from the earth. It's primarily made up of methane, which is the simplest hydrocarbon. So methane is a greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide. It's a much more potent greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. Its global warming potential, or its potential to impact climate change, is about 30 times higher than CO2. And so if you release natural gas to the atmosphere without burning it, you release pure methane instead of CO2, and this actually has a very significant warming impact even for relatively small leakage rates. So methane emissions in the United States come from a variety of sources. The largest sources are the oil and gas industries and the livestock industry, largely due to raising cattle. The natural gas industry is the largest single source of emissions in the EPA inventory, and it accounts for something like 1/5 of total methane emissions. The best evidence suggests that the Environmental Protection Agency is underestimating emissions by something like 50%, and it's unclear at this point exactly where the extra is coming from. Some people find higher emissions at well sites and other production facilities. Some high emission sources have been found at storage tanks, where there will be a valve at the top of the storage tank that's stuck open, essentially. Holes in pipes due to corrosion or damage to the pipe, and gas is seeping out. Old wells that were plugged 100 years ago, sort of abandoned infrastructure that may still be leaking gas, isn't counted in the inventory. There's something like 400,000 natural gas wells. There's millions of miles of pipe in the country. There's lots of places to look for leaks. Hopefully the technology can get cheap enough to where industry implements it on its own, because these leaks are costing them money. And so if we want to make natural gas, which is abundant, domestically available, very cheap, if we want to make that a good solution for the climate, then we need to get leakage under control.